Hello dear fans. What is matter in philosophy? The category of matter is one of the most ambiguous concepts in philosophy. Understanding this term and its place in the general structure of philosophical concepts largely determines the worldview position of a person. The content of this category has changed over time, following the development of science and enriching with the accumulation of knowledge about the structure of the world. Modern understanding of matter. The classical definition of matter was given by Vladimir Ulyanov, Lenin, developing the ideas that had developed before him in Marxist philosophy. He designated matter as a philosophical category designed to designate objective reality. This reality is given to a person in sensations, is displayed and copied by people, but it exists independently of the senses. According to the concepts adopted in the materialistic tradition, matter is formed from the multitude of all objects and systems existing in the world. This is the fundamental principle, the substrate of the entire set of connections, relations, properties, and forms of movement. Matter is not only all objects accessible to direct observation in nature, but also those that can be discovered later when improving the instruments of experiment and observation. The world around a person is matter in constant motion, passing from one form to another. This point of view opposes the idealistic understanding of the structure of the world, according to which the fundamental principle of the universe is a certain divine will, absolute spirit or individual human consciousness, torn off from the brain and existing by itself. Matter in idealistic philosophy becomes only an appendage of the absolute spirit, a pale imprint of an all-embracing world idea. Matter is the fundamental principle of the developing world. Matter and its constituent objects have an internal structure, systemic organization and orderliness. This is manifested in the regular development and interaction of all material objects, which allows them to unite into systems of very different levels. Modern scientific concepts make it possible to assert that at the lowest level of the structure of matter, there are fields and elementary particles that make up macroscopic bodies, planets, stars, and their systems. The entire universe as a whole consists of matter, the boundaries and structure of which have not yet been fully established. Within the framework of the planet Earth, there is living and socially organized matter. The appearance of these forms of matter was the result of its regular and natural development. All living matter is a complex set of organisms capable of self-reproduction. One of the properties of this form of matter is a natural transition to its highest form, which presupposes the ability to think. Human individuals, endowed with the ability to consciously reflect and transform the world around them, constitute socially organized matter, the highest form of life development. Thanks for watching.